Well, we can say that, and it's called Hindi US Bhai Bhai, India US Bhai Bhai. That's all we are going to talk about, and this is the most important news for India. We have already heard about the tweet which was there from Donald Trump, but now is a proper signing. The interim order has come in. So let's just look at what announcement has come in, and let's just see the first important announcement coming from the deal. And of course, this is a very big deal. Almost a $500 billion of goods from US will be consumed in India. That's what it's stating for the next 5 odd years. Let's put in and show you the key announcements which have come in over the night. And let's see the first one, the key beneficiaries of the stocks. These include the textile and the apparels, Indocount and K-Tex Garments are there, Pearl Global, Gokuldas Expos. These are the stocks you should be noting. They might react again on Monday. For leather and footwear, we are having Mirza International and Mayur Unicoaters. Remember, it deals in artificial leather, so there might be some kind of an up move in the stock. Also, apart from this, let's look at the other beneficiaries. There are tire stocks and largely unlisted players are there in the plastic and rubber products. So we need to get into the details of what this trade nitty-gritties are. Organic chemicals, a host sort of companies are there. SRF, Jubilant Ingrevia, Aarti Industries, which would be in focus. And also, apart from this, let's look at the home decor segment. These are also there. Shally Engineering, Stanley Fashion. Keep them in mind because they have good exports to the US market as well. Also, apart from the home decor segment, we are having artisanal products and select machinery. The details are not out yet, but largely the capital goods players who export to US would be in focus. Apart from that, also, let's look at the zero tariffs for these sectors. The generic pharma is there. It's sentimentally positive for the pharma space. And if you look at the other two segments, they are also very much important. The air parts, aircraft segment, that is also very much important. And this is a gem and diamond. Should be looking at these stocks, Renesas Global, Web of Global, Rajesh Exports and Goldium as well. It's positive for them. There's an exemption under Section 32 which is coming in. That's where, such a good momentum can happen. HAL, MTAR, these are the stocks which would be in focus. And of course, the auto ancillary space, that's also where some preferential quota would be coming in. That means there wouldn't be an entire blanket change in the tariffs, but definitely it will be positive for stocks such as Sona, BLW and Motherson Sumi as well. You would be watching out for these sectors. Also, Section 232 exemptions, the tariff reductions would be there on these US products. These are the numbers you're looking at: dried distillery grains, red sorghum, tree nuts, fresh and fruit, and also the wines and spirits segment. That might be a little bit sentimentally negative for, Sula Vineyards or Fratley as well. That's where the tariff reduction on US products is coming in. And GPU, that's also very much important. You will be looking at the data center theme, E2E Networks, NetWeb, and these are the important companies which will be getting benefits as well. For agri products also, it's positive because the agri and the daily, you could say the milk products that from US has not been allowed, so it will be positive for the FMCG players and the dairy players as well. So it's pretty much interesting, Aditya, what the impact could be there for the listed players and the unlisted players. But yes, we need more details, more fine print so that we get in more details about it. But initially, this is what we are getting.
Exactly.